In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fully textured Blastula in a minute. Let's create a ICO sphere. Let's set its subdivision to 3. Please press Tab to go to Edit Mode, X to delete and select only edges and faces. Let's add the skin and the subsurf modifiers. There is our Blastula mesh. Let's texture it and render it. This is the end of the Blastula tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.